So, hello dear students, welcome to Science Math Point. So, in previous video lecture already we have discussed 8 questions regarding on properties of determinant. Clear? So, in this video lecture also we will discuss some more problem regarding on properties of determinant. Okay. So, in previous video lecture already solved 8 questions. So, we will solve now from question number 9. Okay. So, देखो question number 9 is given. Prove by using properties of determinant. Okay, so this is given determinant of 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c equal to a b c into 1 plus 1 by a 1 by b 1 by c. Clear? So देखो how to prove. First thing we'll take the LHS part. The LHS part is given what? This is given. Clear? So in determinant what is our target? To make 1 1 1 by taking common term. Clear? So first thing देखो how to get common term. Clear? For getting common term we will do multiplying 1 by a 1 by b 1 by c in r1 r1 r2 r3. Okay, multiplying 1 by a 1 by b 1 by c. So देखो after multiplying the constant 1 by a 1 by b 1 by c, what is happening? So when you multiply 1 by a here, 1 by a, so 1 is 1 by a is 1 1 by a into 1 plus a. Clear? So that means 1 by a plus 1. देखो check करो. Again 1 will convert into 1 by a, 1 is converted to 1 by a. Clear? Similarly second row is 1 by b, multiply करो. So after multiplying 1 by b, it is also 1 by b, 1 by b plus 1. After multiplying 1 by c also, row 3 will convert into that term. So when you multiplying 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c, for balancing also multiply a, b, c. Clear? Because a into 1 by a will cancel, b into 1 by b, c into 1 by c. Okay, for balancing you have to multiply also a, b, c. Clear? Now check karo how to get common term. How to get common term? So replacing c1 c2 c3 करेंगे और row 1 row 2 row 3 check करो. So yes, replacing r1 by r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, so 3 row को add करो and put करो in row 1 में, you will get the common term. Okay, that common term taken outside. So देखो after replacing r1 by r1 plus r2 plus r3, you will get this term. Check करो. You will get this term 1 plus 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Clear? So now taking common 1 plus 1 by a 1 by b plus 1 by c from r1, you are getting the common term. So ABC, this is outside and the row 1 will convert into triple 1. Now this is very easy. So now you have to convert to 1 will be 0. Okay, so 1 is placed here. So this is column 2, this is column 3. Okay, so C2 by C2 minus C3, C3 by C3 minus C1. That is the as usual procedure. Clear? So now after converting, okay, after replacing this property, this is 0 0. देखो this minus this 1 by b 1 will cancel, 1 is remaining. 1 similarly 1 by c minus this, देखो minus 1. Clear? Similarly column 3 also, this minus this 0, 1 by b minus 1 by b 0, this minus this, देखो 1 will remaining. Clear? So now what to do? Just to expand. So this is common, this is remaining part. So now 1 into 1 minus, so 1 into 0, so 1 minus 0. Okay, so this is 1. So now this is your answer. Proved. This is very simple question. So what to do? Just to multiply 1 by a 1 by b 1 by c in r1 r2 r3. Row 1 में 1 by a, row 2 में 1 by b, row 3 में 1 by c. This is the main funda for this question. So for multiplying 1 by a 1 by b, you have to balance also by multiplying a b c. Clear? After that you will get common term. Coming to question number 10. So question number 9 was a unique question. Question number 9 was a unique question, keep in mind. Okay, because already I have told the previous lecture some category of questions. 1 to 3 is one category, 4 to 8 tak one category, 9 is a special one category. Okay, so question number 10 is also other category. Okay, so question number 10 देखो, this is question, you have to prove that 4abc. So what to do in this question, just I will tell. So देखो first you make common term first thing. Okay, common term will happen in your notes, check करो. So I am doing here first thing. replacing R1 by adding 3 rows. Okay, so replacing देखो b plus c bc, c plus a plus b है कि नहीं. So when you add you will get 2 into b plus c, 2 into c plus a, 2 into a plus b. Okay, this is first thing. So you are getting these terms. Clear or not? Now you can take easily common 2. Now you can take common 2 outside. 2 is going outside. This is remaining part. This is remaining part. What I am telling, just to listen. In this question, what to do? First thing, just to add 3 rows and replacing in row 1. Clear? Then 2 will taken outside. After that, what will just I will tell, listen. Wherever you see c plus a plus b and b plus c. So diagonal element, you have to try to make it 0. This is the main funda for this kind of questions. b plus c, c plus a plus b. You have to make it 0. बस इतना ही टारगेट है. b plus c plus a plus b. How to make it 0? देखो ध्यान से. Clear? So first thing, tell me how can you make it 0 first? A plus b. A plus will 0 when you subtract this from this. देखो, because a plus b is also in R1. So you have to subtract R3 minus R1. Again, doubt is creating, sir, how to make c plus 1 is 0? C plus 1 belongs to row 2. So you have to subtract row 2 minus row 1. Clear? So row 1 में क्या है ना, c plus a. Row 1 will also a plus b. So you have to apply the property what? Replacing R2. देखो ध्यान से, R2. This is R2 minus R1. According to property number 6, already have told. Whatever may be the part here, you have to write here also. Then subtract करके add करो with corresponding other row column. Okay. So for this to make c plus a 0, you have to apply this property. Okay. For make a plus b 0, you have to apply this property. Clear or not? Okay. First thing, you have to make 0 these two. After that, we'll make 0 b plus c. After that, clear? So देखो what is happening here. Row 2 change होगा. देखो कौन सा, row 2 row 3 will be changed. Row 1 will not change. देखो row 1 is remaining same. Clear or not? Row 1 देख check करो. Only row 2 row 3 will be changed. So row 2 देखो, row 2 कैसे change होगा ना, row 2 minus row 1. So b minus b plus c, देखो minus है कि नहीं. c plus a 0. b minus a plus b, you will get minus a. Okay, coming to row 3 देखो c minus b plus c, देखो minus b. c minus c plus a minus a. b a plus b minus a plus b 0. So then what is our next target? You have to make the 0 b plus c. Already I have told, for this kind of question, try to the diagonal element must be 0. Try to make the diagonal element make 0. Okay. So now the target is what? b plus c will be 0. So how to get b plus c 0? थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. How to make b plus c 0? देखो minus c row 2 में है, minus b row 3 में. So when you add these 3, row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, you will get 0. Okay? So our target is what? b plus c will be 0. So replacing what? R1. Check करो. Replacing R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So when you make this operation, b plus will be 0. Okay. So I am writing here b plus replacing R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. देखो after applying this property, what is happening? Yes. Okay. This element will be also 0. Only here row 1 will changes. So row 1 is replacing row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. So after applying property, you will get this row 1. Okay. Already 2 is outside. Okay. No problem. Now what to do? Just to expand. देखो already our target is what? Diagonal element to make 0. All are 0. Then what to do? Just to expand. Okay. So देखो 2 तो है. So this is what? Minus c into, check करो, minus c into this minus this. So 0 minus b into minus a plus ab minus ab. 0 minus ab. Again plus b into this minus into minus a. sc minus 0. देखो sc minus 0 है कि नहीं? Check करो. Now what to do? Just to multiply minus c into minus ab plus abc plus abc. So 2 abc. Already 2 is there. So 4 abc. You are getting the answer. Clear? So for this kind of questions, you have to remember the trick. The diagonal element you have to try to make it 0 over. Okay, similarly question number 10 and question number 11 में the main difference is that क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में क्या ना स्क्वायर नहीं था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में स्क्वायर है. ओके, चेक करो ध्यान से. आंसर इज ऑल्सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में क्या था ना 4abc, बट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में क्या है ना 4a² b² c². क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में देखो ध्यान से देखो, क्लियर. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 को ध्यान से देखो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 को ध्यान से देखो, सेम है कि नहीं. ओनली स्क्वायर इज देयर, ओनली ऑल आर square is there. Okay, this is the main difference between question number 10 and 11. So don't take headache, same procedure I will do here. देखो same procedure, whatever the procedure I followed in the question number 10, in question number 11 we will also follow. So देखो same funda, replacing r1 by r1 plus r2 plus r3, because when you add you will get a 2 into this, 2 into this, 2 into this, clear. Then 2 taken outside, this is remaining part. Then after that, what is the target? You have to make the diagonal element will be 0. So first thing you have to make the 0, c² plus a², then a² plus b². Same funda. So how to make it 0? Row 2 minus row 1. This is 0 when row 3 minus row 1. Clear? देखो same procedure I have followed in question number 11. Okay. So after making the 2 0, then next target is what? b² plus c² will be 0. So b² c², how to will be 0? So when you add these three, clear or not? So when you add these three and replacing in r1, okay, so this will be also 0. देखो chance. Now 3 0 has come. So what is our target? Just to expand. As like question number 10, this is also same. So now minus c² into, so just to multiply you will get 2a² b² outside 2, so 4a² b² c². Clear? Coming to question number 12. Question number 12 में ना सेम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, बट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. आई एम टेलिंग सेम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन एज लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 एंड 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज ऑल्सो दैट, बट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. देखो राइट पार्ट क्या है ना, सेम 4a² b² c² एज लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. सो यू हैव टू मेक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, सो हाउ टू मेक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म चेक करो. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर, देखो कॉल रो 1 को थोड़ा देखो ध्यान से देखो. कैन यू टेक एनी कॉमन टर्म? नो, बट थोड़ा कॉलम 1 को चेक करो, कॉलम 2 को चेक करो, कॉलम 3 को चेक करो. कैन यू टेक कॉमन टर्म और नॉट? यस, चेक करो थोड़ा कॉलम 1 को. कॉलम 1 से व्हिच टर्म टेकन कॉमन? यस, ए. देखो थोड़ा ए कैन बी टेकन कॉमन और नॉट. सिमिलरली फ्रॉम कॉलम 2 यू कैन टेक कॉमन बी, फ्रॉम कॉलम 3 यू कैन टेक कॉमन सी. क्लियर और नॉट? फर्स्ट थिंग. So now what to do? Taking common A, B, C from C1, from C2, from C3 respectively. Clear? So after taking A, B, C, देखो A, B, C taking outside common ले जैसे. So what is the remaining part? देखो a² से A बचा, a² plus AB से A plus B बचा, ये B, okay. So ये C, B plus C, okay. So after taking common you are getting this determinant. Clear or not? So already this kind of questions we have solved in question number 10. Question number 10. Clear or not? So question number 10 का RHS part क्या था ना 4abc. You have to prove that in question number 10. The RHS part is what? 4abc. देखो यहाँ पे ना क्या है ना outside is what? abc. So when you multiply 4abc with abc, you will get 4a² b² c². Clear or not? Definitely will get. So now this question is converted into question number 10. बट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में क्या था ना थोड़ा डिफरेंस था. b प्लस सी यहाँ पे था एंड यहाँ पे c प्लस ए था, यहाँ पे a प्लस बी था. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन थोड़ा चेंज है ना, देखो ध्यान से. सो बट टारगेट इज सेम. सो हाउ टू मेक इट 0 एंड व्हिच एलिमेंट वी हैव टू मेक इट 0? ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड b प्लस c, a प्लस b, c प्लस a. क्लियर? This is the main funda for this kind of questions. You have to make the 0. Okay, first thing tell me, first we will make b plus is 0 and a plus is 0. So before making 0 you have to add all row 1, row 2, row 3. That's why you will get 2 into b plus c, 2 into a plus b, 2 into c plus a. It's like question number 10. देखो ध्यान से question number 10. question number 10 में क्या था ना b plus c plus a plus b डायगोनल में था, लेकिन in this question there is no diagonal element b plus c plus a plus b. Okay, so in this question what to do? First thing to adding all row 1, row 2, row 3, then you will get 2 into b plus c, 2 into c plus a, 2 into a plus b. As like that. Okay, you have to do here also. Question number 12 we have to do. देखो So first thing what to do, just to replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. That's why you'll get 2 into a plus b, देखो 2 into a plus b, 2 into b plus c, 2 into c plus c. Then 2 taken outside, no problem, as like question number 10, that's happening here. 2 into a plus b taken outside, okay? The remaining part is this. Now next target is what? B plus c, c plus a plus b make 0. So first thing you have to make b plus c 0, then a plus b 0. Okay, then you have target is c plus will be 0. So now first thing same, how to make it 0? Row 2 minus row 1. Okay, a plus c minus karo. Similar, how to make it 0? B plus c minus b1. Same funda. Row 2 minus, replacing row 2 by row 2 minus row 1. R3 by R3 minus R1. Okay. Now, so after making, you'll get this term. Now, next target is what? You have to make the c plus 0. So, c plus a is 0. How to make it c plus 0? Same, when you add this, replacing R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So, you will get this term will be 0. Okay. So, when you add this, replacing R1 by R1 plus R2 R3, you will get this part will be 0. Okay, now all are 0, just to expand. After that, what to do? Just to expand. So 2abc is already there. So now what? B into, देखो sc minus 0, देखो sc minus 0, minus b into what? 0 minus sc, देखो 0 minus sc. Okay. So now this is ABC, now this is ABC, 2ABC into 2ABC, 4a square, b square, c square, which is a requirement part for RGC for this question 12. Clear? Hence it is proved. Clear? So question number 10, 11, 12, these three questions are same kind. Clear or not? 4ABC, 4a square, b square, c square, 4a square, b square, c square. Okay. So coming to question number 13. This is one kind of questions. So question is given a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ac bc c square plus 1 equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So what to do here? So target should be what? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. How to get? Okay. So a काम करो. In this question, what to do? This is given. Okay, no problem. सो एक काम करो, ए स्क्वायर प्लस 1, देखो ध्यान से, बी स्क्वायर प्लस 1, सी स्क्वायर प्लस 1. ओके, ए स्क्वायर प्लस 1 that is belongs to row 1, b square plus 1 belongs to row 2, c square plus 1 belongs to row 3. Okay, so now what to do? Multiplying a, because this is a square plus 1, you have to multiplying a here. In the b square plus 1, what to do? Multiplying b here. And c square plus 1, what to do? Multiplying c here. Okay. See how to do. So now what to do? First thing, I am multiplying a, b, c with row 1, row 2, row 3 respectively. So when I have multiplied, definitely I will divide also. 1 by a, b, c. Okay. So after देखो, a square plus 1 converted to a into a square plus 1, because I am multiplied in row 1. देखो ab will be converted into a square plus b, ac will be converted into a square c. Clear? Similarly row 2 also as like this, row 3 also. Now what to do? Taking common a from column 1. देखो थोड़ा मजा. First we have multiplied in row 1, row 2, row 3, ABC. Now taking common ABC from column 1, column 2, column 3. Multiplying row 1, row 2, row 3, taking common column 1, column 2, column 3. This is main point for this question. So देखो taking common A from C1, taking common B from C2, taking common C from C3. Okay. So देखो after taking common ABC from C1, C2, C3, what is happening here? ABC go outside. So ABC by ABC will be 1. So देखो a square plus 1, yes, ab square, देखो ab square will convert into b square, ac square is c square, no problem. Similarly here also b common से क्या बचेगा ना, a square, and यहाँ पे b square plus 1 is remaining, bc square से c square. Okay, so after taking on abc you will get this determinant. Okay, now what is target? So for getting our r's part is what? This. Okay, so now our requirement is to get common term. So for getting common term, what to do, check karo. If you add row 1, row 2, row 3, you will not get common term. But when you add column 1, column 2, column 3, देखो 1 plus a square plus b square. When you add this, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. This is our target na. Similarly, देखो this also 1 plus a square plus b square. When you add this, देखो 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So what to do? Replacing row r1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Okay, so replacing r1 by r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, for getting common term. So after replacing, we are getting this common term. Clear or not? देखो 1 plus a square plus b square c square. Now taking outside. So by taking common this from r1, you will write here also. I forgot to write here. You can write here also a line. By taking common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square from r1. Okay, by taking common this, you will get outside. This is 1 1 1. After that, you know variable. So when 111 is coming, you have to make 2 1 will be 0. Okay, so how to make it 0? You know variable c2 minus c3, c3 minus c1. Okay, same property applying here. So after applying property, so what is the remaining part? Check karo. Okay, so this is remaining part. After applying property, you will get this. Just to do. Okay, now just to expand 1 into 1 minus 0. देखो 1 minus 0. So this is remaining, which is proved. Clear? Coming to question number 14. Question number 14. Okay, so this part equal to a plus b plus 0 whole q have to prove here. Okay, so how to get a common term? First thing, देखो how to add. When you add a minus b minus c with 2a you will not get common term. But when you add a minus b minus c with 2b plus 2c, so a minus b minus c, when you add 2b plus 2c, you will get a plus b plus c. देखो यहाँ पे भी minus c minus a, when you add 2a to c, you will get a plus b plus c. So what to do? Replacing r1 by r1 plus r2 plus r3 for getting the common term. What? A plus b plus c. Okay, when you add all these, you will get what? A plus b plus c. Okay, after that, you know variable how to solve by same procedure, by taking common a plus b from r1. So then 111 is coming. After that, you have to make 2 1 is 0. So now 1 belongs to column 2, this one belongs to column 3, c2 minus c3, c3 minus c1, you know very well. Now just to expand, so 1 into this minus this. Okay, so before expanding, already have told, if there is possible to taking common, then take common. So देखो a plus b plus a, देखो column 2 column 3, we can take common or not? Can you take common? Yes, देखो column 2 में a plus b plus c, yes, a plus b plus c can be taken common outside, no problem. And column 3 also taken common a plus b plus c. Clear or not? Okay, because our target is what? RHS part is what? This is RHS part, a plus b plus c whole q. So that's why by taking common a plus c from c2 and from c3, देखो by taking common a plus c from c2 and c3. So what is the remaining part after taking common? A plus b plus c already outside is there. So a plus b plus c from c2 and c3, that is a plus b plus 0 whole square. So now this is whole square. So the remaining part is this. देखो this is minus 1 after taking common a plus b plus c. This is 1. This is also minus 1. Okay, and 0 0 remaining. Now just to expand, no problem. 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. Okay, so that is a plus b plus c ka whole q. Hence it is proved. Okay, so this is your question number 14. This is also very easy, I think. Question number 15 also is like question number 14, I think. Clear or not? So देखो यहाँ पे क्या ऐड करेंगे? Yes, देखो for getting common term. When you add c1 by c1 plus c2 plus c3, check करो. c1 plus c2 plus c3, because a b है 2c है, so when you add a and b, you will get a 2a to b. So that's why I'm applying the property replacing c1 by c1 plus c2 plus c3. Okay, for getting common term, what? 2a plus 2b plus 2c in column 1. Now this will be easy. By taking common 2a plus 2b plus 2c from c1, you will get 111 is here. Okay, so you will get 111. 111 is here by taking common outside 2a plus 2b plus 2c. So when you get triple one, no problem. You have to make this will be 0. This will, so this one belongs to row 2. This one belongs to row 3. So now applying the property row 2 by row 2 minus row 3, R3 by R3 minus R1. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c, by taking common 2 also, 2 into a plus b plus c, this is 1. So row 2 row 3 will change. So 0 0, this minus this, R2 minus R3. देखो ध्यान से b plus c, this b plus c 2a minus a. So this is b plus c plus a by a plus b plus c. Similarly, this minus this, so b minus c minus a minus 2b, so minus of a plus b plus c, clear or not? Similarly, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, a minus a, 0, this minus b, a plus b plus c. Now, check can any term taken common or not? Check करो, yes, row 2 में देखो, a plus b plus c taken common outside. Row 3 में check करो, a plus b plus c taken outside also. Okay, so by taking common a plus b plus c from row 2 from row 3 respectively. So after taking common a plus b plus c from row 2 row 3, that will be a plus b plus c ka whole square, and already outside is what? 2 into a plus b plus c. So now what to do? Just to expand this determinant. So 1 into this minus this, so 1 minus 0. Okay, so 2 into a plus b plus c ka whole cube. Okay, so this is our target answer. 2 into a plus b plus c ka whole cube. Hence it is proved. Okay. So in this video we have solved question number 9. This is one kind of questions. 10, 11, 12. That is one kind of questions. Okay. यहाँ से देखो question number 9 was what? This is question number 9, and question number 10. Okay, this is the main target is you have to make the diagonal element 0. Okay, b plus c, c plus b, c plus a plus b. Question number as like question number 10, 11 is also there because square is difference. Question number 12 also you have to convert into standard form. Okay, by taking a, b, c from c1, c2, c3. After that, this question will convert to question number 10 also. So 10, 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12 is same kind. 13 is one kind of questions. Okay, no problem. Multiplying here a, b, c with row 1, taking common c1, c2 from c3. Okay. Similarly, question number 14 is 15 also same kind of questions. Okay. Clear? So in this video lecture we discussed from question number 9 to 15. Okay. So Kariban 7 questions we have solved in this lecture video. From next video lecture we'll discuss some more problem also regarding properties of determinant. Okay, so if you feel enjoy, please like the video. Okay, also share it. Clear? So after that I am keeping clear.